Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I have something rather special. It's the Only Gameboy case. Now there are different variations of this case available. This particular one is advertised with 26 games. It's available in white and black. This particular model is for the iPhone 6 and is priced around £15 or $18. Okay, so this packaging is on the colourful side. Usually these cases have a white or fairly generic packaging. This one has a colourful graffiti-like graphics on the back, the Only 780. So this is how I received it from Amazon. I'd assumed there'd be some sort of sleeve or something on top, but there wasn't. This is actually how it came. In the box we have the case itself and the instruction manual, nothing else. The instruction manual is in Chinese and English on the back. So firstly we have the introduction about game buttons, so basically explaining about the buttons, then game and strategy, I'm not exactly sure what that means, and then screen display. At the end we've got installation and disassembly of the battery, so I had to take it out and stuff like that. To my surprise, the case actually looks pretty good. Buttons are made of rubber unlike the actual Game Boy, so it feels a bit cheap there. So inside the case we've got a place for the battery, some instruction on how to put the case on. So we've got some text on the top that's lost in translation, so HD screen proof, explosion proof, smudge proof. To be honest, none of this makes sense to me. I think it's a bit of an over exaggeration, that's what I would say. When I purchased this case I assumed it would include a battery, however it did not. Luckily I did have a CR232 cell battery lying around, which I can use on this case. The construction of the case is somewhat durable. The material on the side is rubber and the front Game Boy element is a rough hard plastic, which is textured. The type of plastic over time will attract a lot of dirt. So let's see how well it fits. I have the iPhone 6 here. It's not the easiest case I've put on, it did take a bit of force to get in. But when it's in, it fits well. Taking it off wasn't that easy. I had to use a lot of force to get the case off the phone. So on the front you got your D-pad, on and off, reset button, two buttons labelled rotate, sound and S&P, so start and pause. Because of the Game Boy button, the phone does not lay flat. The charger port cutout is not aligned and therefore when the cable is plugged in, the top hits the case, an issue for bigger charger heads. And same thing for the headphone port. No doubt the mute switch suffers the same issue, the cutout is so disaligned the switch is harder to use. Put aside these issues and this Game Boy is a great novelty. The buttons on the side remain tactile, the monochrome display is nice and big and the retro games are very entertaining. Just remember this, if you plan to use this case as your daily driver, I'd feel uneasy putting it in my pocket, as the on button can be pressed and the Game Boy will turn on. This may cause a lot of embarrassment. The designers of the case could have easily overcome this. They could have incorporated a slider switch on the case like the actual Game Boy, especially this being a phone case. All in all, putting all bad things aside, this is a cool little case to show off to your friends and family, a real talking point I would say, and for the die-hard Game Boy fans this will be perfect. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and join me on the next one.